Having trouble with a cellular update failed error on your iPhone after an update? Don't stress, you're not alone. This issue is usually caused by network settings, SIM card problems, or software compatibility. But no worries, I've got you covered with step-by-step guide to help fix the problem and get your cellular service back up and running. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Sometimes toggling airplane mode can help reset your connection. First, open settings on your iPhone. Then, look for airplane mode at the top of the menu. Turn airplane mode on, then turn it back off. After that, check if your cellular bars return. Solution 2. Eject and reinsert the SIM card. A quick SIM reset might do the trick. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to carefully remove the SIM tray. Take the SIM card out and wait for a few seconds. Now, reinsert the SIM card and make sure the tray is properly secured. After that, restart your iPhone to see if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Update to the latest iOS version. If there is a new update to fix bugs, installing it might resolve your issues. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Solution 4. Turn off restrictions. Restrictions on your iPhone might be interfering with the cellular update. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, turn off the restrictions for your iPhone. Solution 5. Turn network selection off and on. Refreshing your network selection can help reset your connection. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on Cellular. Scroll down and tap on Network Selection. Toggle it off, then wait a moment and toggle it back on. Now, restart your iPhone and check if that issue is fixed. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Resetting the network settings can solve any misconfigurations affecting cellular connectivity. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm by choice. Note, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be sure to have them handy. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cellular update failed error on your iPhone. Hopefully, your cellular functionality is back in action. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching.